I would like to move on with our guests and listen to their real and direct experiences in the Chinese market. I would like to welcome first Mr. Kevin Sun, as I introduced him before, General Manager China at Copan Medical Shanghai Limited. Mr. Sun has extensive experience as a commercial manager in many multinational biotechnology companies. Obtained a PhD from Duquesne University, MPH from Johns Hopkins Universities, and MBA from Fudan University. He has deep knowledge about scientific instrumentation and medical devices for the healthcare market. Mr. Sun, the floor is yours. I know that our colleagues visited you and your company last week, and they were very proud of the incredible work you are doing in China and to keep the high standards of the made in Italy. We, of course, Copan is an Italian company with headquarters in Italy. So would you like to share some of your experience and something more about your company with the audience of today? Thank you.
Thank you, Veronica. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, it's my honor to give a talk on our company's R&D strategy for the sustainability development in China. So first of all, I'm going to introduce our company. So with a reputation for innovation in pre-analytics, Copan is the leading manufacturer of collection and transport system in the world. We offer a complete range of microbial sampling products used for traditional culture analysis and molecular diagnostic assays. We're dedicated to developing high quality and cutting edge sample collection products for infectious disease, human genomics, environmental and forensic applications, along with the high-end automated workflow solutions. Our headquarters are located in Brescia, Italy, and all our products are manufactured and shipped worldwide, and from where we launch all our global initiatives. We also have subsidiaries and manufacturing facilities in the United States, Puerto Rico, China, Japan, and Australia. So since 1979, Copan explored all the fields of microbiology, leveraging the innovation by togetherness approach to deliver solutions. Our products can help clinical labs elevate to the next level, search for a custom collection and transport device to fit our partners' needs, and explore new ways to power up pharmaceutical, food, or personal care industry quality controls. By unifying our vision, expertise, and the knowledge with that of the healthcare professionals, we have redefined the pre-analytics with the disruptive ideas and the products. Copan's former CEO, Daniel Triva, conceived the flock technology after looking at the flock surface of some clothes hangers. In 2003, we released the first swab using the flock technology, revolutionizing the pre-analytical world. The main idea of digital microbiology is to create a comprehensive ecosystem for laboratory processes, technology, and applications, transforming physical objects into the continuous intelligent data stream, connecting pre-analytical platforms. This idea is revolutionizing how diagnostics are developed, leading to higher medical value and more efficient lab worker flows. So currently, the products created and marketed by Copan can be grouped into two principal categories: the consumables and lab automation. The mainly consumable products include the swabs and the transport media for pre-analytics, necessary for the collection of sample, storage, and transport to the NI sites. The applicable areas that consumable products can be used include clinical, environmental, genetics, forensics, and lab consumables. The lab automation products allow laboratory to perform most of the routine pre-analytic activities in a complete automated manner, with significant benefits in terms of saving time, standardization, complete traceability of all the operation completed. The principal products include the WASP, which is a system of automatic sealing of the plates with bacteriology samples. And the WASP Lab is an extension of WASP system, including intelligent automatic inoculation, imaging, incubation, picking of the colonies, and management of the antibiogram systems. And the Universe is a system of complete management of the pre-analytics in the molecular biology laboratories. So the flock technology answers the healthcare professional needs for a more efficient sample collection. The main features of our patent flock technology is the application of short perpendicular nylon fibers to the swab tips. Unlike other swab technologies, this ensures a quick capillarity-driven sample uptake and the absence of the disorganized fiber structure trapping the sample, and efficient elution of the biological specimen. Copan's liquid-based microbiology combines swabs with liquid transport and processing media, transforming challenging specimens into liquid samples. Pushed by the revolutionary flock swabs, LBM is the gold standard of microbiology specimen transport that transforms the solid specimens into the liquid samples. So combining the process automation with data digitalization, our digital microbiology solutions can take over routine daily tasks, supporting diagnostic decisions and maximizing lab efficiencies. Many other advantages of the digital information, which include accessibility, which is the digital data can be accessed and consulted everywhere with just a computer and a net connection. And the integration means that digitalization translates and can be similar objects into a universal common language shared between different software platforms and lab information systems for trouble-free data exchange and communication. And also about the storage and safety, hundreds of thousands of plates can be stored in a book-sized hard drive, protecting sensitive information and patients' privacy through the specific software. This is our WASP Lab system. WASP Lab is a nucleus of Copan full lab automation, which is more than a platform for incubation, storage, digitization, and the recording of inoculated bacteriology plates. It brings the user into the world of digital bacteriology. WASP Lab empowers the integration between the robotics and the full digitalization of a flexible and modular working structure. It takes tremendous accurate digital images thanks to its imaging system. And each plate has its ID, an upstream sample ID and type, patient information, a workup, and the plate type and the image itself. So our R&D division incorporates the skills increased in the fields of laboratory microbiology, of mechanics, and of project management. Usually, the input for the development of new products is generated by the commercial division and the marketing area and the company scientific committee. The passage from research to standardization of the product usually takes place within a very short period of time and is defined and managed based on the studies conducted during the initial research phase. And the activities conducted by the IP office guarantee Copan's right to the exclusive use of the products developed in-house. Our recent mostly products developed for consumables include the release cap, that is the device conceived to facilitate the dispensing of the liquid in particular conditions, and the culture media capable of facilitating the identification of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and the fine-tuning of the alternative materials that can replace the current plastics. So, in general, the approach to innovation and the R&D of the lab automation division is based on the 5 principal elements, which include the direct and transparent relationship with the client worldwide, and the partnership with the local distributors and the key opinion leaders, especially with the IVD companies, For example, in China, we have a lot of partners who use the Copan's swabs and liquid-based media. And also the internal development of R&D activities with the speed in the development and launching of the new products is also very important. During the pandemic, we can see a lot of local manufacturers launched the new products, which is quite competing with Copan's products. And also the curious and the courageous approach into the unknown fields. So the R&D activity for lab automation has focused on the development of automatic pipette imaging analysis and cyclone automation for us. With reference to the Copan Group as a whole, our major objectives are to continuously improve the ability to patent and communicate the milestones reached in the field of innovation and R&D. As regards to consumables, we realize every greater investment for open innovation projects to be created with outside partners. And as regard with our lab automation, we apply additional integration of the principles of a circular economy in the business model, adopting the dictates of eco-design in the development phase of the new products. For example, we use the recycled or recyclable materials, high energy efficiency components, etc. Increasingly lengthening the life cycle of the automations. And also with specific reference to the OEM products, we conduct further consolidation of the partnerships existing with the universities as well. Over the years, we have generated the resources which allow us to reinvest and be financially independent. That is how we became a reliable, far-sighted company with great operating freedom. By doing everything possible to limit our environmental footprint, we have set a goal of enriching our community from the social, environmental, and cultural point of view. Today, we're still eager to continue this innovation, providing quality products, customized services, and prime solutions to improve patients' health. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Sun. We could see that the work that Copan does in order to improve people's quality life is really impressive. So thank you for sharing these insights.